Hey, what up, everybody? Happy Labor Day to all y'all. They have the day off from your job. Labor Day weekend. Labor Day weekend, 3 days off. A lot of people got 3 days off. Saturday, Sunday, and today, Monday. But yeah, I'm gonna make this quick video on how I post on classified ads with the software. I'm doing Craigslist marketing too, but this is a software that I don't know why. Since you can post 500 posts a day. Awesome. Yeah, I was using this a couple of weeks, but my posts were getting flagged. So I talked to the owner, and he told me why they were getting flagged, because I wasn't putting a lot of emails, random emails. That's why the site, the classifiedad.com is the name, is the site. So they were flagging my post because I was putting the same email. But I already got this right now. It's working like a charm. So I'm gonna show you right here. You gotta put like numbers of city to submit to. Put 500 is the limit a day, and which category you want. I put on business opportunity. How many seconds? 10. Every 10 seconds is gonna post. Title. The title I'm gonna put right here on this system that's working out pretty good for me. The Elite Stream TV. So I'm just gonna put a sample better than cable, direct TV, and Dish Network. The most popular cables or Dish Networks companies right here in the States. Dish Network. So right here, asking, it costs $30 a month. 30. I'm just gonna put 30. 30, and right here, you gotta spin tax the ads. That's what he told me to. I gotta spin tax. So that's what I'm doing right now. I gotta spin tax them. They're banner ads. So I'm just gonna put this right there. So it's gonna spin tax the ads. Just copy and put it right here, and that's it. Optional name. You can put your name. So if they try to reach you, so it will look more professional. Email. Right here is tricky. That's what my posts were getting flagged. So you gotta put a lot of emails, random emails on pin text format. So yes, let me right here, just these emails that I have, extract. Just gonna copy and paste them and put it right there. That's it. That was what the problem that I was having. That's why they were getting flagged. Because usually it should stay 6 months right there. They add right here. I will put you my phone number, my Google Voice phone number, so it would look more professional. 7178. That's my Google Voice number. City, that's optional. You want to put proxy and everything. It was like that. So then, oh, I forgot to tell you this, the tools right here. Oh, help tools. Yeah, tools. You need capture. Dead by capture. I use usually dead by capture. It's very cheap. It's very cheap. You get like 5K. Capture, whatever they call it. It costs like $5, I think, or $6. I don't recall. But yeah, I use this one because I heard it's one of the best. They capture on every side or everything. It works on almost on every side. So this you can need capture. It costs like $6-7. Just go to a site and they will tell you the plans that they have. So yeah, definitely you need this. So yeah, just gonna run it and that's it. Leave it running for until it posts 500 posts, and that's it on every city. It's gonna post in every random city. That's what I noticed. But just check it out. It's super fast, Just leave it like that all day, all night when you're sleeping or whatever. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of sales with this offer lately. I tried it yesterday. Yeah, I tried it yesterday. I left it all day on this laptop. Right there, it's gonna put the capture the 9C7 and 3, and that's it. You can see right here that it's already posted this one. Yeah, you could post a lot of random, you could post different posts, or the site classifiedad.com will find out that you're posting a lot of the same, like Craigslist is the same on Craigslist. You post the same message, you'll get flagged. But right here, what is more important is the emails. You can put a lot of different emails, so the site won't find out that you're posting a lot. The most important thing. That's why I was getting a lot of flack. But yeah, this is awesome. I already got some sales. Yes, I already got, like, I don't know. I've been promoting this company. I just joined last week, and yeah, it's awesome. It's better than Excel Media, to tell the truth. On Excel Media, I had a lot of issues with streaming. Like, it froze a lot. You can tell right here, I already put the other one. Yeah, just leave it like that. At night when you go to sleep, to 500, and you'll get a lot of leads. I've been getting a lot of leads. I got like 5 sales, I think, 4. I don't recall. But I was checking. I got a few sales just from this software. Yeah, right here. What else? Yeah, this is the live stream that I'm using right now. Shout out to my boy Juan Mayor, awesome dude. Thanks for making this system. It's awesome. I was with Excel Media, but I'm having a lot of issues. They're still having issues right now since a couple months. I don't know why. Maintenance, okay, cool. Yeah, but hey, I like to promote business on banks, Facebook, and everything, but I'm not gonna wait for them. So until they give me my new link or something, I don't know. They're having a lot of issues that I don't get it right now. So yeah, I'm done with this Excel Media TV. I'm going with my boy, Juan, awesome dude. He pays you every Friday, I think. Yeah, Friday or Saturday, I don't recall. Yeah, I just got paid $20. I haven't heavily promoting it. I was just like, I'm always busy doing other stuff, but yeah, I'm on CPA. But it's awesome. I already got a few sales, like I told you, 137 on this, using this software, and Facebook too. I promote on Facebook, and yeah, it's awesome. You want to try it? Cool. Here's my link. My link is this one, livestreamtv.com. This is live. I purchased this domain for me. But yeah, you want to try it? Cool. I'm going to try to, this week, I'm going to make a landing page. Awesome landing page from some people that I know on Fiverr. They're pretty awesome. Yeah, and yeah, how I get the emails is right here on Automatic Income System. You can get it right here, the emails, the leads. And you can spin text. You can speak them on a spin text format. You can do it yourself, or you can hire someone from Fiverr. That's what I did. I hired someone from Fiverr because I don't have time for do all that. But yeah, and engage is cost $39.97 to 200 and 500 leads. 2,500 leads is cool. But when I started this automatic income system, I started with the silver to test it. It was freaking awesome. They gave you like 50K before, but now they upgraded the system. They added more plans. So yeah, right now I'm the diamond. I'm a diamond right now, but you want to start, cool. You'll get the leads. You start with the silver. It's awesome. Or the starter is awesome. But 2,500 is not a lot for me. I don't know. But if you decide, you can try for free, 14 days trial. They won't give you leads, but you can earn $10 per sale if you recruit people into the business. If they upgrade to the 39 and 97, I will get the commissions for that. No, yeah, no, sorry. You get you get 25%. But right here in the starter, I will get the 50%, I think, if I recall. I haven't it's been a long time since I've been promoting this business, so I'm kind of okay. I didn't know they added. I was checking it out. They added a new upgrade, the Royal Diamond membership. That's awesome. Software leads, 750 leads. Awesome. Cool. I might join. I was doing this on text blasting before. It's working. I'm doing text blasting still. But yeah, this is how I get the leads. Awesome leads. They're very they're really into the business opportunity business. But yeah, Fiverr. If you want to spin text, hire these people. Trenton. It's awesome. He will give it like that. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but he's doing this. Let me show you quick. He did it fast. Where is it? Let me. I just gave him a list of emails, and he did it fast. Spin text. That's what I mean. Spin text. You have this things right here and this. So that's what I'm using on this software, the classified software. I'm just spin texting a lot of emails. That's how it works. But yeah, this guy is awesome. To tell the truth, he's very professional. I was chatting with a lot of people to do this gig for me, and some of them charge me like $10, $100. Like, okay, like this person, where is it? This person. It was kind of funny. I was paying at least $10 so she can do the jig. Even the name says it's Pamela Anderson. What the hell? Price is $100. What the hell? I said, hell no. But I found this person. He was awesome. He even gave it he gave it to me for free. He just told me, give me your email list, and he just sent it like that without paying. And he was cool. He told me, hey, I hope I'm not cheating on you. Like, what? No, that's awesome, bro. He's gonna be my it's good to know this kind of people who show me how to do it on the software and everything on the side. But yeah, I'm gonna start hiring him so he's a well developer, so he's gonna start making my capture pages, because sometimes I don't have time for that. I'm gonna do one for LI Stream TV this week. So yeah, this person is awesome. He's pretty fast, and he got a lot of recommendations. You can tell right here, a lot of good reviews. But yeah, yes, when I got paid on LI Stream TV, I think I got paid on the 31st. So yeah, awesome. If you wanna join on my team, LI Stream TV, I will show you how to do it on Bing Ads, how I'm doing on Bing Ads. I'm gonna start doing campaigns on Bing Ads, Google Ads. I don't know if you guys saw my last video, but I'm getting a lot of credit, $100 credits for free. It's something different, a little trick that I learned for seeing a lot of courses online. They're worth a lot of money. But yeah, I will give you that for free for being part of my team. Yeah, a lot of stuff. If you take action, I'll give you more stuff. I'm very, I like to respect people that take action. But if you don't take action, nothing, you start complaining and everything, I might block you. I don't care. I will give you your refund or something. I don't have time for that. But yeah, just take action. You can tell right here, I'm gonna show the software again. I think it's already posting a lot. You can tell it's already posting another one. Yeah. So yeah, I will tell you about this software when you guys join my team. Right now, I'm just taking serious people on my team. I don't want people that start complaining, it's not working, this and that, can I get my refund? No, I don't have time for that. Alright, if you want a refund, go ask the PayPal or something. I don't have time to give you a refund. Alright? Cool, thanks for watching the video. Bye.